And now it's time to put CHIMP into practice. Find a partner to work with on a CHIMP-related issue. Perform a BioCompass analysis and focus on the Udin, the adaptation, the relief, and the restoration. What is it that shocked him so much? How did that body adapt after the shock? What made them feel the relief? And how did that body adapt, changed back to normal? What is the restoration process? Write your findings and reflections in the forum. And a tip, usually if you focus on chronic issues, those are easier to find. And especially skin situations, eczema, and bladder infections work really, really nice. It's a regeneration of crossing boundaries for the bladder infection, and the skin issue is reconnection with something you lost touch with. Really take some good time for that, and stop the video and do that now.
If you like this, you probably want me to make more of that. So share your insights, share your comments below, and what videos would you like to see?